Hey you guys, what's up? So today I want to show you guys the new Half Magic collection. This is the Eyelectric collection. There's a bunch of really awesome products in here that I want to share with you guys, as well as use some of those products to do a makeup tutorial. So let's jump into it. All right, so jumping right into the Eyelectric collection, we have 3 Eyelectric Extreme Lengthening Mascaras. These are color mascaras. We've got the shades Teal Wit It, Urchin, and Violet Act. These give you extreme length. They are 12-hour wear, flake-free, raccoon eye proof, and ophthalmologist tested. Half Magic Beauty is also vegan and cruelty-free, so that's a plus. I'm super excited to use these. Urchin is a black mascara, and then we've got a teal and a violet. Next, we have 2 single eyeshadows. These are the Sparkle Duochrome shadows, and we have the shades Mermaculate and Blushing Lizard. I'm gonna open these up and swatch them for you guys. Something that I love about, I have my allergies so bad today. Something that I love about Half Magic Beauty is that they use recycled materials to create new things. For instance, this box was made out of 85% recycled paper. They also have an empties program where you can send your empties back for them to be recycled. And these little eyeshadow cases that the single shadows come in are compostable. Super cool. So here we have Mermaculate. Look at that. Such a beautiful shade. Wow. And then here we have Blushing Lizard. Super stunning. And here is what that looks like swatched. Beautiful. And then we have 2 of the Glitter Pill Eye Paint Plus liners. We have the shades Mercoise as well as Holy Goldie. And these are absolutely stunning. These are long wear, fallout free, and ophthalmologist tested as well. I absolutely love the glitter pills by Half Magic Beauty. They are so, so beautiful. So that is Mercoise. And then here is Holy Goldie. So, so pretty. Wow. Okay, so Half Magic Beauty is always sending the coolest little devices. The last time I received a package from them, they sent over this cute fan. It'll start saying something here in a minute. It says, wear your heart on your face, which is their little slogan. And then it says Half Magic Beauty here in a second. Super cute. Okay, so they are known for sending cool little gadgets like that. And this time we have this little gadget. This is an awesome, awesome light that has all these different screens on it. It looks like this. You open it up and it has kind of a more yellow screen. See how the light is yellow? You can take that screen off and then the light turns more white. This is perfect to make those products really sparkle and shine. And it also has a dimmer on it, which is super cool. So I'm gonna dim that light a little bit because it's a bit bright. But see how it just really gets that sparkle in the product. If you guys didn't know, Donnie Davy, the creator of Half Magic Beauty, was the makeup artist on the show Euphoria. So this light really helps to capture that sparkle and glittery shine the Euphoria way. So without further ado, let's jump in and create a makeup look using some of these Half Magic Beauty products. Well, that is it, you guys. I just want to say a big thank you to Half Magic Beauty for sending me the Eyelectric collection to try. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.